dancing with the evening breeze. In the scent of falling rain, they awaken once again. In the mist and silver light, they are singing through the night. In the wind, in the sky, you can hear their lullaby. Spirits of the wind, carry me away through the fields of gold where the flowers sway. Spirits of the rain, wash my fears away, fill my heart with wonder every single day. In the air I breathe, in the earth beneath, every little thing is singing back to me. Morning dew on emerald grass, golden hours gently pass. Every flower, every stream feels as though it's in a dream. Birds are painting songs above, filling every breath with love. Every heartbeat soft and slow moves with nature's